If you are still alive in the quaddie and doubles, good luck. Danielle's Pride is the favourite. We're running 21.70. The Mobile is in the back straight. They're about to go for the last of the night out of the Border City. And as the arms fold back, they're away to a pretty fair start. Let Us Ventilate's going to try and dig through on the inside and lead. Divine King broken, so Let Us Ventilate can lead comfortably. Paulie Walnuts is balancing third. Divine King is still breaking, now paces. And the favourite Danielle's Pride was taken off the arm as last of all as Let Us Ventilate got through for John Scott. He won the first. Can he win the last and bookend the meeting? Let Us Ventilate by 4 metres. Paulie Walnut second. Danielle's Pride has been quickly whooshed into the fight around the outside of Dream Cartier and Sir Briggan in the middle. They're being followed further back by Divine King, who broke early but now paces much more tractably. And last of all was Dream Cartier. Down to the judge they come. They've got 2 circuits to go. Let Us Ventilate's going to have the inside marker line, and in 42 and 5 took them past the judge and swept out to the back section. Led up by 4 metres. Second is Paulie Walnuts on the inside, and Danielle's Pride will work from the cheap seat outside the leader, but not for too much longer, as Bartley's going to shoot the favourite up now. Takes closer order, goes to the leaders with her, then takes hold. They're being followed further back on the inside, 3 back by Divine King. On its outside was Sir Briggan, and last of all is Dream Cartier. And as they race up to the top circle, we've got Unison with 3 pairs of 2, and Let Us Ventilate enjoying the favours by 2 metres. Danielle's Pride keen to go harder, has again raced up alongside, and I think's about to try and take over at the 1,000-metre corner. They're being followed by, on the inside behind the leader, Paulie Walnuts and Sir Briggan, and in behind those further back to Dream Cartier, the outside of Divine King. They've run 31 and 7, and as they come down to the judge, the bell is chiming across the circuit now. They're going to the post with a lap to go, and she can't hold Danielle's Pride further back on the outside of Let Us Ventilate, and they race together around the bottom corner in 30.8, 61 and a half, in fact 62 and a half for the half. And on the inside, Let Us Ventilate led. Danielle's Pride's had a pretty tough run, but still looks to have something there. Paulie Walnuts is leaders back, and then the next one was Sir Briggan, followed by Dream Cartier, and Divine King has lost interest and dropped off. They're at the 400. Let Us Ventilate's had more favours than the others and might travel just a little bit better. Sir Briggan's coming from the 1-1. The favourite Danielle's Pride, I'm prepared to say, can't win, and is being passed on the outside by Sir Briggan and on the inside by Paulie Walnuts, but Let Us Ventilate. Jay Scott's about to open up and push the handlebars into the down position, and Let Us Ventilate opened up in the lane, out by 4 metres. Paulie Walnuts trying to run him down. Let Us Ventilate's got enough left in the locker. He will bookend the meeting. First and last races to John Scott. Let Us Ventilate beat Paulie Walnuts and Sir Briggan. They're being followed by Danielle's Pride, who had a pretty tough run. Well back was Dream Cartier, and Divine King is going to finish last of the group.